Wow, so nice. Say something, Talha. Hello, Talha. Say something.
Hello, look at my private land.
It's a problem. What's so funny? Wow. It's nice weather. The most interesting thing is the bird is totally free here, and they enjoy a lot when people in front of the river. They also enjoy the beauty of river and the beauty of the world. Wow, what the other thing is? What dog? Whoa! It's called in Bangladesh Tafiash. Wow! Oh my God! The bird and the dog, both are together here. Wow! Talha, come. That's a nice dog. Nice today. Ha! Two on a similar color, one in different. So something.
Look at this beautiful place.
Wow.
It's wonderful.
What is the name of this place?
It's called Chester.
Chester.
They're called Chester. Chester is
Don't
amazing.
ride the boat trip.
It's an amazing place.
It's an amazing
Look,
place.
There's a boat coming.
Yeah, you can ride if you want. You can ride from there to from here to there.
And you can see.
You can see the beauty. Wow, it's nice. Here's a bridge also. If you want, you can explore the whole of river. That is good. But if you want to ride by this boat, you have to pay. That's expensive, man.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive.
£2.
Okay. Thanks for watching.